Part 3. Owning a great tan can be an empowering thing. Whether you spend hours in the sun or minutes in a bed, seeing your skin glow that radiant shade makes it all seem worth it. Well, over time, we know the sun and artificial tanning can cause damage and aging, but what are the true costs of enjoying a new golden tan? Working in aesthetics, I've seen lots of skin conditions, and this has taught me new ways to solve these problems for others. However, by just taking a few small steps yourself, you could prevent the problems the sun can induce upon the skin. In the following speech, I will present 3 different points that reflect the true effects of artificial tanning, prolonged sun exposure, as well as how to prevent further damage. In previous years, we didn't always know that the sun was bad for us, and until scientists were later able to link it to cancer, companies had been promoting tanning beds as unharmful. When it comes to indoor tanning, many individuals understand the negative effects of these methods. However, that wasn't always publicly promoted. In an article titled The Benefits and Risks of Ultraviolet Tanning and Its Alternatives by Lori A. Crane, Robert P. Delaville, and Raj K. Sivanami, all elaborate on perceived positive outcomes highlighted by the Indoor Tanning Association. Claims such as increased mood and elevated energy had actually motivated more individuals to tan as they felt having a tan improved their appearance. Another claim was having a base tan could prevent sunburn or infection, which of course we know is absolutely not true. Next, we will take a look at the connection between cancer and tanning. Since the connections had been made in regard to the possible damages from prolonged exposure, multiple types of medical conditions began to show their links to the sun as well. The skin is the biggest organ in the body and has the biggest incident rate over any other human malignancy. In an article titled Indoor Tanning and UV and Skin Cancer by Joshua M. Schulman and David E. Fisher, highlights a 2002 study which found that all forms of tanning significantly increases the risk of developing squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, as well as melanoma. UV radiation plays a major role in DNA damage caused by increasing carcinogenic potential through initiating mutagens in the genome and contributing to the pt.3 function. So ultimately, DNA damage occurs in the tanning pathway. It may seem like I'm opposing the wonders of having a wonderful tan, but I mostly want to remind everyone that there's small things we can do day to day in order to protect ourselves from the harmful rays of the sun. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention claim that individuals who begin tanning in early adolescence inherit a risk of developing melanoma. In another article by the American Cancer Society, writer Stacy Simmons uses her article The Ugly Truth About Indoor Tanning to advocate for skincare prevention. With over 3.5 million cases diagnosed yearly, it's important to try and protect ourselves from becoming another one of these statistics. Avoiding tanning beds and sun lamps will increase long-term skin damage, and using sunscreen on a daily basis can also prevent UV ray damage. Now, with this knowledge ranging over sun exposure, now how you choose to act in defense is ultimately up to you. I hope this information has provided you with a better understanding of the medical complications, misconceptions of tanning, as well as the methods to prevent overexposure. Do you see that out there? That strange, unfamiliar light? It's called the sun. Let's go get us a little. Nora Roberts. Thank you.